Hi guys, my name is Gina Babak. I'm a full-time online marketer, business coach, and traffic vendor for 6 years plus, and I have been buying traffic on Udimi for years, so I know most of those traffic vendors personally. You may ask me, Gina, should I buy solo ads? Listen, to be honest, you have no choice because solo ads is still the fastest way how you can generate new leads and start getting sales or affiliate marketing or digital marketing business. You simply have no choice, because if we will compare Udimi with any other kind of traffic sources like Google ads or Facebook ads, you will immediately see that you will need to spend so much more money on Google. Actually, I would not even recommend Google. Maybe Facebook, yes, but on Facebook, to start seeing sales, you would need to spend at least $50 every single day, at least for a month, so 30 days to start generating some stats for your traffic source, for your funnel, for your opt-in page, for your sales page. This takes a lot of time and money on Facebook. When on Udimi, you simply choose the different vendors. This week you can buy from this guy, next week you can buy from another guy, and you immediately have stats. Another thing is that on Udimi, when you buy 100 clicks, you're virtually guaranteed to have at least 30 new leads. So if you don't have 30 leads from 100 clicks, you can simply send a message to this Udimi vendor that, listen, I was expected to get at least 30 leads and I get 15. And this guy will send you more traffic for free because there is a standard on Udimi. So if you pay $40, you need to have at least 30 new leads to your list, right? This is why Udimi still is the #1 traffic source for affiliate marketers, and this is why I would recommend you to start thinking about, okay, how much can I spend per week? If you can spend, let's say, $100, you can buy more than 200 clicks every single week, get more than 60 leads every single week, and if you have a good solid funnel, high converting sales page, you will start generating sales. Then reinvest this profit into more traffic and get more leads and get more sales, build your business, build your list predictably fast.